I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I feel happy today.
I feel happy today.
I hear birds singing.
I hear birds singing.
This is a mango.
This is a mango.
I check the time.
I check the time.
I feel the cool air.
I feel the cool air.
I'm new here.
I'm new here.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
Chew food properly.
Chew food properly.
Read tarot cards.
Read tarot cards.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
I can't button my shirt.
I can't button my shirt.
Apply mosquito spray.
Apply mosquito spray.
She feeds the baby.
She feeds the baby.
Why are you late?
Why are you late?
I just got a haircut.
I just got a haircut.
Where did all my money go?
Where did all my money go?
I smile in the morning.
I smile in the morning.
Please wear your glasses.
Please wear your glasses.
I like your outfit.
I like your outfit.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm sorry to hear that.
She lacks appetite.
She lacks appetite.
I'm just looking. Thank you.
I'm just looking. Thank you.
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
Can you give me a ride?
Can you give me a ride?
Let's play outside.
Let's play outside.
Check the bill.
Check the bill.
I look out the window.
I look out the window.
I open the window.
I open the window.
I look at the sky.
I look at the sky.
I take a deep breath.
I take a deep breath.
I take a short break.
I take a short break.
I sit on my bed.
I sit on my bed.
I have a surprise for you.
I have a surprise for you.
We've broken up.
We've broken up.
I plan my day.
I plan my day.
Bring your ID.
Bring your ID.
I see the sunrise.
I see the sunrise.
Hang the clothes.
Hang the clothes.
I disagree.
I disagree.
We practice yoga.
We practice yoga.
Can you take a photo of us?
Can you take a photo of us?
Let's go now.
Let's go now.
I put on my sneakers.
I put on my sneakers.
I walk to the bathroom.
I walk to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
Call your parents.
Call your parents.
Don't drop your food.
Don't drop your food.
That's interesting.
That's interesting.
We have a snack.
We have a snack.
How do you spell that?
How do you spell that?
I leave my house.
I leave my house.
I wait for the bus.
I wait for the bus.
I get on the bus.
I get on the bus.
Tell me more.
Tell me more.
Bring me some water.
Bring me some water.
He's heartbroken.
He's heartbroken.
I charge my phone.
I charge my phone.
I love your smile.
I love your smile.
Do you have any hobbies?
Do you have any hobbies?
I lock the door.
I lock the door.
Good luck.
Good luck.
I have successfully lost weight.
I have successfully lost weight.
Can I sit here?
Can I sit here?
Can I borrow this?
Can I borrow this?
Don't be jealous.
Don't be jealous.
It's been a long day.
It's been a long day.
Speak up clearly.
Speak up clearly.
Don't be too sad.
Don't be too sad.
I need a doctor.
I need a doctor.
He shaves his beard.
He shaves his beard.
Call the police.
Call the police.
Warm up by the fire.
Warm up by the fire.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
What is this?
What is this?
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
I put on my clothes.
I put on my clothes.
Watch out.
Watch out.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I go to the kitchen.
I go to the kitchen.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water.
I prepare breakfast.
I prepare breakfast.
I eat my breakfast.
I eat my breakfast.
I read the news.
I read the news.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
I start my work.
I start my work.
I drink some coffee.
I drink some coffee.
What do you think?
What do you think?
He builds a sandcastle.
He builds a sandcastle.
I'm lost.
I'm lost.
We are proud of you.
We are proud of you.
Light a campfire.
Light a campfire.
They live in a cozy house.
They live in a cozy house.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
Get some sleep.
Get some sleep.
Go to bed early.
Go to bed early.